Hi everybody, welcome to another Blender tutorial. Today we will create eye rig without using any armature. Here I am adding the strokes for basic structure of human face. So I am using mirror modifier to create a exact mirror of the eyes. So black eyes. In this tutorial we are not using any armature to control the iris or pupil. Simply we use an empty to control these eyes. So mostly human eyes move together. That's why I'm using a single empty object to control the eyes. If you wanted to control each eye individually, we have to add more empty object to the scene. So here I have deleted the duplicate face stroke, and I'm creating vertex groups for each eye, assigning the vertex to the group. This vertex group is for right eye. So I am assigning the strokes to that particular group. Click select, it will show up the group of vertices belongs to that particular vertex group. Okay, now I am adding an empty to the scene. So we have to take care of origin should be in the same place. If you wanted to control each eye object separately, we will add separate empties, but here I am controlling both eye pupils with single empty. By using hook modifier, we assign these vertices to the empty. So I am adding two modifiers for each eye. If you want to control separately, you can add another empty and assign it for the second vertex group, means for left eye and right eye separately. Okay, after adding, we can control the movement of pupils using the empty. So now I will limit the location, because if we move the empty, eye objects will start moving, but I wanted to control it to move only within the eyeball. So I am applying limit location object constraint to the empty. So we will give minimum z-axis movement and maximum z-axis movement, and minimum x-axis movement and maximum x-axis movements in the object constraint. So by pressing N, we will pop up the object properties. In that we will see the location, z location is given there. Whenever we move the object, it shows up the actual property. So I am entering that value in the minimum z value and maximum z values. The same way I am doing it for x limited locations. So now we cannot move it more than that value. Now I am assigning x-axis values, minimum value and maximum value. For assigning these limit location values, movement of this empty will be in a square shape, not round shape. So now I am giving animation to this. So inserting keyframe at various frames by pressing I and location of the empty. Okay, now the eyes are moving and they are being controlled by empty. Okay, but we have a problem here. If you wanted to move object, it is not possible because we have to parent it. So I am parenting the empty with the object. Now it moves, but still there is a problem. That is a problem because we have limited the location of the empty to world space. Now I am changing it to local space. Now we can move our object wherever we want and see the animation keeps playing. We can place the object wherever we want. This is how we can rig the eyes without using armature controls. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.